Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and some of my artwork is over here is my little pool pond, and it's doing real good. It's my porch pond, and with my cool little goldfish in here. I really like the one with the black and white, and the one with the white lips. They're the biggest. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in here with my philodendron and my English ivy up here, along with my creeping Jenny. And here is my cool little gnome here that I painted. He looks really good, along with honey and sweetie pie over here. And then I painted oh, here's the little swallowtail babies too. They'll be hatching sometime next month, and I'll keep you up to date on that. And here is my little raccoon and my other raccoon I painted, and bunny and deer that I painted with acrylic paintings. And here's a little sweetie pie. She says hello, that she loves you all out there too. So I hope you enjoy some of my artwork. This little squirrel here too, I painted them. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.